Most people open Asana, add a bunch of their tasks to their projects, and then spend the next 10 minutes trying to remember what they're actually supposed to be doing today. And the thing is, Asana already has the answer built right in. There's a feature that basically does your daily planning for you. It's called My Tasks, and it's one of my favorite things about this tool. Now, I've played around in ClickUp, I've poked around in other tools, and none of them do this quite the way Asana does. ClickUp has something similar, but honestly, getting it to look and work the way I wanted, it took a lot of trial and error. In Asana, it just works from the get-go. Okay, in case we haven't met, hi, I'm Samantha. I'm a systems and operations strategist, and I help online business owners build systems that actually hold up on hard days. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up my tasks properly and then how to use it as part of a simple daily habit that keeps you focused without adding more mental work to your plate. So, we're covering three things: how my tasks actually works and why it matters, how to set it up so it shows you exactly what you need, and how to build it into your day without making it complicated. Okay, so step one, what My Tasks is and why it's kind of a big deal. Okay, so this is My Tasks. It's your personal home base inside Asana. It pulls together every single task that's been assigned to you from every project, every team, everything into one place. So instead of opening 10 different projects, trying to figure out what's on your plate, you go to one spot and it's all there waiting for you. So my favorite view is the calendar view. You can see today, you can see the rest of the week, and everything is color-coded by project. So your brain can immediately sort what it's looking at. Client work is one color, marketing is another, operations is another. You're not reading labels, you're just seeing it. And here's the part I really love. It only shows you what's assigned to you instead of the whole project or everyone else's tasks. It's just yours. For an easily distracted brain, that focus is really useful. Okay, quick pause. If you want the full system behind how I use Asana in my own business, I have a course called Asana Made Simple. It walks you through everything from setup to daily workflow, step by step, and it's built for people who don't want to overthink it. You can grab it at samanthacasbrick.com/AMS. I'll also put the link in the description below if you want to check it out. All right, on to step two, how to set up my tasks. So My Tasks works best when your tasks have due dates. Without due dates, everything just piles up in a section called Recently Assigned, and it becomes kind of a mess. So the first thing we need to do is make sure your tasks always have dates on them. So when you're inside a project creating tasks, always assign a due date, just like that, even a rough one. That's what tells Asana when to surface them in My Tasks for you. And then when you open My Tasks, you'll see it broken into sections depending on your view and how you have it sorted. But the default is this one that I have in board view here. It shows due today, recently assigned, due this week, and due later. These are actually useful if you want to triage manually, but I find the calendar view way more intuitive for a real overview of the week, or you can even set it to a month. To switch to calendar view, it has these tabs up here so you can switch between list, board, and calendar. In calendar view, you can see everything laid out day by day. You can drag tasks if your plan changes, move something from Monday to Tuesday like I just did in 2 seconds. And again, color coded by project, which makes it so much easier to scan at a glance. One thing to know, if a task doesn't have a due date, it won't show up in the calendar. So if you're missing something you expected to see, that's usually why. You can find it in list view and add a date and it'll appear. Or if you are working in calendar view, you can find it under no date here and it'll show you all of your tasks that don't have a due date already. Then you can assign it a due date. Say I set it for tomorrow and you'll see it appears in tomorrow right here. Okay, now for step 3, the daily habit. This is the part that makes the whole thing click. Every morning or the night before, if that works better for your brain, you open My Tasks in calendar view. You look at what's sitting on today. You ask yourself, is this actually doable or do I need to move something? If you need to shuffle things around, you just drag them, done. You don't need a separate planning system or to rewrite your to-do list or to use an extra app. Then as you finish things throughout the day, you can check them off right here. And when you check something off in My Tasks, it also marks it as complete in the project too. So everything stays in sync. You're not updating things in 2 different places. That's the whole habit. Open it, look at today, adjust if you need to, check things off as you go. 5 minutes in the morning and then it just runs in the background while you work. The reason I love this and why I think Asana does it better than most tools is that it gives you focus without requiring effort every single day. And it does it in a simple way that doesn't overwhelm your brain. You did the work when you built your projects and added your due dates. My Tasks is just the payoff. It's where all that behind the scenes structure finally shows up and actually helps you. Now, if your Asana is a little all over the place right now, tasks without dates, projects that are kind of a mess, no real structure underneath, My Tasks isn't going to feel like magic yet. It's going to feel like a cluttered mess. The good news is that it's fixable, and the place to start is your overall setup. I made a video walking through exactly how to structure Asana so the whole thing works together. So click here to watch that video next. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.